uploading through the YouTube homepage? That's wrong, Bookies. That's why we're not getting no attraction. Welcome back, Bookie Besties. So I have noticed a lot of people have been uploading through the YouTube Home app, which is me. I have been uploading through the YouTube Plus, the Home app, you guys, which we are best friends. We locked in. We are like homies. You get what I'm saying? Until I found out that had to stop. You have to stop posting on your home YouTube page, and that's only because y'all, I'm going to give you the gems, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why, because it's really, really good. It's really, really good, okay? So, have you ever noticed when you go to if you go to your YouTube dashboard and you click on one of your videos that you have just uploaded, like probably say yesterday, you get what I'm saying? Go to that video on your YouTube home, on your dashboard, YouTube Studio. When you go to your YouTube Studio, you're going to click on the video that you want to edit. Once you click on the video that you want to edit, you're going to see a little pencil. Click on the pencil. Once you hit the pencil, it's going to take you down to everything that you have put on that video. Once you go over to the side, you see your video to the side. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to show you a screenshot right here also. You see your video to the side. You see a YouTube link, and you also see probably something that says, a whole bunch of jibbity at the end. You get what I'm saying? Or maybe you might see where it say file name. So keep in mind, your video needs to say the title of what your video is going to be about. And that's very important, y'all. That's a key thing that I never knew about. Making your video align with your title. You get what I'm saying? Because once you go and upload that video into from your CapCut, your editor or whatever, you need to go into your phone. You need to upload that video into your files. You need to change the name into your files, and you need to put the title of your name of the type of the video, what's going to be, and then you need to publish it. You need to save it. Once you go there, you're going to go to your YouTube dashboard. You're going to hit that little arrow that's pointing up, or you're going to see where it say create. You're going to hit one of those. Once you hit one of those, you're going to come to a screen where it has an arrow pointing up, and it's going to say upload files. You're going to hit the one that says upload files. You're going to hit the little picture. Once you hit the picture of the upload files, you're going to then upload the video that you had just changed your file name onto, and now you're going to put that onto the YouTube. Now once you do that, once you upload, now you should see where the file name says whatever your title is going to be about for that video. Instead of the jibba, now YouTube knows that your title and that video and what it's about. So now they're able to put it in front of the people that are looking for that specific video. Do you get what I'm saying? Make sure your thumbnail is even the same with your video. Make sure you change your file name on your thumbnail, and make sure you also change that file name on your YouTube video. You get what I'm saying? Because those two right there would help YouTube a lot to analyze and optimize your video, to let them know what audience it is pertaining to and who to push it to. You get what I'm saying, y'all? That is the most and key thing that I have found out this week. And it is gems. It is gems, y'all. So by uploading with your YouTube app and going to the dashboard, that's the best way to even see your file name on your video, instead of going through the YouTube app on your phone, home app on your phone, and not being able to see the file name to the side, or if it even has the file name before you upload it and catch it. You get what I'm saying? But still, make sure you schedule those videos before you put them out, regardless of you putting the title of the video for your file name. Make sure everything is optimized, y'all. Make sure you are putting at least 10 titles into your description box, so it's getting YouTube to know what the video was about. Now whoever's looking up those titles, your video gonna pull up. Also put your playlist into your description box. That's another significant way to get your videos shown and seen by other people that is on and that's coming to look for you. You get what I'm saying, y'all? We got to use all these keywords, all these keys to get our video out there. And by uploading with the YouTube dashboard, that is key, y'all. That is one way to get your file name onto your video, and also your thumbnail. And another thing with your thumbnail, y'all, they have it to where you can generate 3 thumbnails from one thumbnail. YouTube will make 3 thumbnails for you and generate them, and then put it into the audience to where it'll show which one is performing right, and that's the video in the thumbnail they will put up for your video. You get what I'm saying? So, y'all, using the dashboard is key. It's gems and everything. I will show you a screenshot through it, and that's what we need to do, y'all. So without further ado, that's it for this video. I hope y'all like it. Share. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.